Hi, Veera, good morning.
Hi. Good morning. What should I call you as? Kappa?
Hi, Veera, good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
Hello. Yeah, hi, Veera,
Hello.
good morning.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yeah, good morning.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah. So, can you give me a short? Yes, here you are.
Yeah. So, yeah. Can we
Short
continue?
introduction. What kind of experience is Java developer, full stack developer, programmer?
Yeah.
Sure.
I worked as a Java developer and a Java lead and architect in various organizations. So I started my career with TCS. Later, my latest was in Spiridion Technologies. So they are implementing a project for electronic land management system, wherein which we have to integrate our APIs with different systems like payment systems, geolocation systems, and all. So we were doing that work currently.
What is your technology stack?
Pardon?
What is your tech stack?
Tech stack, Java Springboot, MySQL, MongoSQL, MongoDB, Redis for caching, and AWS for Azure. AWS for cloud.
So,
You're not
have you also heard of Kafka, middleware, and those things?
Yes. Kafka for asynchronous messaging, communication between the microservices.
So, am I audible properly?
You are not audible and you are not visible also properly. Your voice is very much breaking. See, I'll record.
Okay. So, yeah, turn on your video, please.
So I'm recording. Can you please say A, B, C, D, something like that? Okay.
Yeah. So, how do you ensure exactly once processing in Kafka?
So recording. Can you please say A, B, C, D, something like that? That's how I'm getting. Yeah. That's how I'm getting your voice. No issues. No issues. We'll continue. Okay, Kafka. Using the Spring Boot, the services were listening to the events produced by other services and publishing at the rate. Kafka with the Kafka template, we publish the events to.
Please turn on your video also.
Didn't I? It's already on.
Your yeah. Now it's on. I think the black
No,
background.
it was on
Yeah,
from the
now it's
starting.
fine. Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
So Kafka, we were producing messages. Microservices, when there is any event or anything, we have to send it to other microservices. Then we use the Kafka template to publish those events to Kafka. So and the consumer and one of consumers from consumer group will consume those messages at the rate listener, and we tell the topic, partition, and all set there to which it has to listen. So that is one part. Second part is Kafka streams. So we leverage it for a sliding window part. We do that for giving what have number of users logged in last 1 hour, something like that. So those events, those sessions are logged in the Kafka topic. So it counts the number of sessions that were active in the, that were there in the Kafka table, Kafka topic.
Right. Share your screen. I will give you a small Java problem.
Okay.
You can use any online Java compiler or something.
Okay.
Not any complex library import or anything. So share your entire screen. So I will give you a problem in the chat. Okay. Share your screen.
Okay. Yeah. Is it shareable now? Is it visible?
All right. Go to chat. Hide it. Click on hide. So go to chat.
Yes, I'm in chat.
But I can't show your chat window.
Yeah, I'm checking. Can you see the chat window?
There's some latency, I believe. So, all right. Are you able to access the problem?
Yeah.
I could see your chat.
So I'm sharing the entire screen.
I cannot see the chat.
Pardon?
My net is working fine. Like it is broad. So you can solve
Can you
it
see
with
me?
whatever approach come into your mind.
Yeah.
So Veera, you can solve this problem with. Yeah, I can see. I can see that you can also see. I can confirm that. All right.
Yeah.
So there are a few instructions for the given problem. Yeah. If you don't understand the problem, you can ask me repeated times. Okay. And I assume you will do it on the genuine logic. It can be solved in 4-5 ways. So no matter however you write the program, as long as you don't take any proxy, okay, just fine with it. Yeah, you can use an online compiler. Go to Google, write online Java program, online Java compiler. Yeah, you can use any online compiler because you have to run a few test cases also, right? But refrain for using any AI tool. Write your own genuine logic. I lost your video again.
Pardon?
The video turned on.
It is turned on.
Yeah, it's fine. I think there is a glitch with the Geo meeting chat and also while sharing screen. All right. Go ahead. Example with your name itself. Okay. Have you understood the problem or not? You can ask me for your doubts. Okay, if S2 is Vida, and you can also assume all characters are in the lower case. Okay. So if S2 is Vida, okay, then S1 if I pass as true, RV false. You understood the problem?
Yeah.
All right, let me ask one question here.
Huh.
Because you have to create extra memory in the RAM, right? So no need to create any extra objects.
Okay.
You can access any character in the string by using inbuilt method caret because it will create extra load on the RAM. No need of that. Just I can help you with the semantics and the problems. Okay, methods. You to convert it to character array first, but it will create extra memory in the RAM. No need of that.
Just like, okay. Can I see string? That one, Java thing,
Sorry,
string Java API.
you can look at it. Yeah. Go to documentation. Java docs. You can open.
Carrot group.
How many years of total experience you have?
Pardon? Can you please repeat the question?
Total, how many years of experience do you have?
18 years.
Years. Oh, well, it doesn't require any library function, right? Like you can access the character. Okay, you can traverse a string in a loop.
Yeah.
So let me give you another problem. Okay. One
Wait,
second.
wait. Just
No issue. It doesn't require
I'm
any extra
I'm
like
just
help. You can
no.
you can solve
I'm not. Uh, can you see my
just go
screen
to
or
chat.
not?
It's same problem. Same problem. Go to chat.
Yeah.
Go to chat. Solve this problem.
S2
Yeah,
is
I
equal to
can see
V.
your screen very well. I can see your screen. Just go to chat. I
Okay.
have given you another problem. Try to solve it. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is the problem. Try to
Okay.
solve this.
Okay. For the first problem, let me give the solution. Explain the solution. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Just try to write code for the second problem. No issue.
Yeah. I mean, just a
Try to
minute.
solve the second
For the
problem.
first
Yeah.
for the first problem, I'm finding the index of the character in the
It's fine.
div.
It's fine, man.
Yeah.
You can
Okay.
try
Okay.
solving the second problem. You could try solving
Okay.
second problem. No issue.
Given an array move all zeros to end
Not
without
remove.
using any
Move.
extra space.
Move all zeros to end. Not remove.
Yeah.
So you cannot create any extra space or extra memory in the RAM, right? You have
Yeah.
to do it in the place.
Zero to zero. Three, zero, zero, five. 2 pointers, 1 point. Next pointer will be 0. Okay, I'll fix J at 0 and this to 0. So 0 finder, 0 find, 0 finder. If array is equal array dot I 0 find is equal to 0. J.
Do you have a method watch?
Yeah. Method watch. Yeah.
What's method?
Not method. 2 pointers are there. To make sure. First round will do. Second. Yeah, I is equal to 0. Yeah, I is equal to 0. So,
Yeah, Veera, you can discuss your approach because you have to cover other sections also, right?
yeah,
So how
actually,
we are going to solve it?
I'm trying to put 2 pointers starting. So 1 pointer will first start with 1. Then the second, it will the for loop iterates. The pointer 1 goes to second one. It finds the 0. So I'll bring that second 0 finder to this particular position. Then I'll move the next iteration I. If it finds non-zero, then I'll swap that value at I and 0 finder to swap that value.
Then
Okay, then I will again move on. I mean, in the new position, for example, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0. So I will move this 2 and 0 and 0. Now my 0 finder is here. In j equal to 3, j equal to 2. Then I will iterate. I will again move to what is that? I will move to find the non-zero number.
right. Okay, try to solve this problem. I'm giving one more problem to you.
Okay.
Go to chat.
Given an array of non-negative numbers, each number tells you the maximum number of steps you can jump forward. Each number tells tells the forward. If array of I is equal to 3, you can jump to index I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3. The array you equal to 0, you cannot jump forward from that position. The task is to find the minimum number of jumps needed to move from the first position in the array to the last position. Yeah. Print. Okay. You are given a, yeah, this is a problem. Okay.
So have you understood the problem?
Yeah. So if I first go to first position, it can jump one position, that is to 3. If it can jump to 3 more positions.
It's maximum. So number at any index tells you like how many maximum you can jump. If suppose number is 4 at second index, you can go 1, 2, 3, depending on your
In,
choice, or maximum 4, right? So that's the problem state. So it's up to you. If you find a better candidate in the second position, no need to go to the third position. So try to understand the problem first, sir.
yeah, yeah.
It's not like that 4 means fourth you will jump. It will make problem very easy.
Got it, got it.
4 at any index means you can jump either 1 or 2 or 1, 3, 2, maximum 4, right? So if you find a better candidate in second position, if it takes you to the last, you will choose that one, right? It's not that like you will go that many positions further. You can go even lesser than that. Maybe you can find a better candidate at the next position, right? That is also the case. So try to understand the problem first. Then try to build the logic.
Okay.
Got it or not?
Yeah, yeah, understood. Mm,
Suppose I give in the first example, if I place like it's straightforward example. If I make 2 instead of 3 in the second position, okay? And if I make 1, 1, 1, and then 9 or 10 itself. If I make 2 in the second position and if I replace 3 with the 2 in the index 1, the index 2 I replace 5 with the 10, then how, what will the output? Tell me. Output will be 2.
okay. Yeah.
Suppose if I make in the first example 10 in the first index, 0 index, first position, output only 1, right?
Yeah.
Our dice is at the first position. First value is 10. 10. 2, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. If suppose my first value 1, I replace with 10, output should be 1. Did you understand the problem?
Yeah. So we should start with first number, right?
Definitely. You are at the first position. Given it is.
Okay. So first one is compulsory.
You are at the first 0 index of the array.
Okay. Um, if my array size is more than the if my first number is more than the array size, then okay. So from here onwards, I can go to, so my array size. So total end size is equal to, I mean, target is equal to.
I have given you another problem. Tell me output of
Size. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Veera.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have given you one more problem.
Count
Try
number
to
of all
understand
subsets
it.
in an array with a given sum. Okay, given an array of positive. Array of positive, and find the number of subarrays having the sum of its elements exactly equal to the given number k. Zero number of subarrays. Count number of all subarrays in an array with given sum k subarrays. Okay, having the sum of its elements exactly equal to the given. Okay. So
So have you understood the problem?
So I have to find
So
if the
subarray, you can have this, you can draw an analogy. Subarray is just like a substring, right? So if your name is Veera, so how many possible substring with that? V, VE, VEE, VER, E, ER, ERR, ERRA. So similarly, a subarray is to an array, like a substring to a string. So how many subarray possible? So have you understood the two example? You have to find the count of how many combinations for subarray with the given sum. Have you understood with the example? Explanation, you are given start and end index. So in the first example, like 0 dot 2 means 9, 4 and 20. 0 to 2 means in array index start with the 0, right? So 0 to 2 means 9, 4, 20. This is one candidate. 9, 4, 20. This is one. So 2 to 4 means 4, 23. So this is second. So how many total combinations are possible? 2. As your array contains negative also. So in the second example, if k is minus 10, suppose in your REST API, you are receiving these two inputs, list of integers and a candidate. So you have to find like how many candidates are possible in that list. So in the second example, there are three combinations. 0 to 3 means first 4 element. 2 minus 2 is 0, 10 minus 20 minus 10. Okay. 1 to 4 means second to fifth element. So 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 20, 10, and then the fourth or the fifth element. So minus 20, 10. So tell me the output of the third input.
And subarray means they should be in a sequence, like
yes, just like a substring in a string. So in your name Veera, how many possible substrings? Unlike our previous problem where there were
let me ask the question.
Yeah.
Here subarray means 9, 4, 20 is the subarray, right?
Yeah. 9 also subarray, 9, 4 subarray, 9, 4, 20 subarray, 9, 4, 20 subarray, 4 subarray, 4, 20 subarray. So like same analogy you can draw. Veera has substring V, VE, VEE, VEER, VRA.
I understood. I understood.
Yeah,
I
got it.
understood. What I'm saying is, let us suppose my sum is target is k is equal to, for example, 943 16. If my k is equal to 16,
Hmm.
can the subarray be
In which example? First one, second one, third one.
first one 9
Okay.
comma 4 comma 3? Is that a subarray?
No, no, man.
No, because they are not continuously there, right?
Yes, yes.
Got it. So yeah, my approach is a two-pointer approach. Okay. I'll start 2 pointers I and j at the 0. Then one pointer I'll move to the next 9, 4, 20.
Not work here. In a single loop, it will not work. Okay, tell me the output first. What will be the output of the third input?
Third input.
Yeah, k is 0 and array is this 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1.
Oh wait, I didn't copy that. Okay, this one. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Correct route.
Pardon?
Yeah, it is correct. Yeah, 6 is the output.
Yeah, correct.
So how are you going to solve it? Yeah, tell me. Two-pointer approach will not work. Even if you take start at an index, if you like a reversing a string within a linear loop, it will not work here also. Even your sliding window also will not work because it has negative also, right? Sliding window also will not work.
Okay. Yeah.
In a single loop, two-pointer will not work here.
Since the negatives are there, two-pointer won't work. Yeah.
No. It's not about two-pointer. Sliding window will not work because of negative.
Why it will not work?
Two-pointer anyway not going to work in a single loop. Two-pointer will never work. If they are all positive, also two-pointer will not work. Why? You tell me. Okay, you assume the first example. Can you solve the first? Can you satisfy the first test case with the two-pointer approach in a single loop with O(n) complexity? You tell me.
In single loop, we can't.
All right.
Wait. See, I'm initiating I and j at the 0. Okay, and I'll move that. Move. I'll keep one pointer at I. I'll keep one pointer, keeping one on.
Can you write the
move one
program? I want to
at I.
see whatever approach you want to write it. Can you write the program. I will help you with the syntax. All right, Veera, we are ahead, well past the interview time. So you can tell me your approach for the last program. Tell me how will you solve that?
Yeah,
No need of that. Just tell me your approach. No need to write code. Last program I have given you the chat. How will you solve it?
If I'm using two pointer also, I have to use 2 for loops. Okay.
That's fine. I got it. Okay, go to the chat.
J will again, the second pointer will again reset multiple times.
All right, tell me the output of the last program. Like, how will you solve it? Just approach.
streams, non-repeating character.
Just tell me the logic. No need of any stream API function. How will you find it as a programmer? You tell me.
First, I will map stream map through that, and I have to. Can I use another? I mean, character streams. I'll convert it into character stream. Then I'll map through each character and collect them in a set.
That will not work. Suppose
If I'm inserting into the set,
A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. So set will convert it to A, B, C, D, E. How will I know which is non-repeating? Right?
I mean, that is one thing, and another is creating a hash map where the character count will be there, count of character.
All right, Vira. Yeah, I'm done from my side. Okay.
In the collectors, we have a hash map. Yeah. Okay.